Nutanix Near Sync is a disaster recovery technology that protects VMs by replicating their data to a remote site with a low recovery point objective. It is designed to bridge the gap between asynchronous replication, which typically has RPOs of 60 minutes or more, and synchronous replication, which has an RPO of 0. Near Sync enables RPOs in the range of 1 to 15 minutes. This capability is particularly valuable for critical applications that require more frequent data protection than standard asynchronous schedules, but cost and distance limitations of synchronous replication are not feasible. The core technology that powers Near Sync is lightweight snapshots. Unlike traditional snapshots that capture full copies of vDisk data from the extent store, LWS operates at the metadata level using markers to track changes to a vDisk. During this process, the configured RPO, 5 minutes, is used for generating alerts if the replication lag exceeds that threshold. These lightweight snapshots are stored in a dedicated remote site. The incoming LWS data is then consolidated into full regular snapshots in a process known as hydration. This makes the replicated data valid and usable for recovery. There are two primary types of Near Sync. Legacy Near Sync, the original implementation which relies on a dedicated LWS store on the SSD tier. Autonomous Near Sync, a newer version introduced in AOS 6.0 and later. This version is designed to be more efficient and addresses some compatibility issues, such as those with VMware's Site Recovery Manager. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.